You might be thinking to yourself, why is that young feller with the gray hair, slightly balding, building a road that seemingly goes nowhere? Ah, but it doesn't. All roads go somewhere. This road, in fact, leads right back here again. Nice fish. So there's a couple of different reasons for building the road to nowhere. One of them being that lots of times I am pulling a trailer around or something like that, and to access the back side of the property there, anytime you go there, you have to turn around. Now, it would be nice just to be able to go around in a big circle and end up back here again. So that's one reason. Another reason is, if you remember all the weeds that were there in the first place, they're, I don't know, that tall. And I couldn't really, the only way to cut them is with a weed whacker, which is a pain. Lots of them are burdock and just prickles and crap like that. So I figured it would be nice if I could make the ground smooth enough that I can just run through there with a riding lawnmower. So actually, maybe another reason, I guess, is just my laziness. I want to sit on a riding lawnmower rather than using a weed whacker. So this is the first time I've put fuel in since I did the picking up the egg with the excavator video. And that was 20 bucks worth. This is another 20 bucks worth. I'm not even filling these things right full because I like them to be light when I dump them in. I think they hold like 30 bucks here in Canada. So interesting thing about having this channel, it's actually one of the coolest things, is finding out that people are watching from everywhere on the planet. Well, maybe not everywhere, but lots of far off places. For instance, I got people in Sweden watching, people in UK. I recently just found out that our old neighbors, I think they're down in the jungle somewhere in Mexico. So hi Dave and Greta, we miss you guys. But yeah, it's interesting, and interesting talking to those people. A little chilly out this morning. I'll hit the cold start button for a minute here. Well, not a minute, say 20 seconds. Okay, so let's go play in the dirt.
when that happens. I could just push it, but now it's kind of becoming a challenge. That's a nice flat rock.
Okay, so you've just watched another installment of the Never-Ending Road to Nowhere, brought to you by that young, balding, gray-haired feller. Come here. Come on up. Good boy. Come here, Ben. Come. Sit. Sit pretty. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, Benjamin. So thanks for watching. Another one coming out soon.